Have you ever dreamt of working from the comfort of your own home? Well, guess what? It's entirely possible. With the rise of the internet, you now have endless opportunities to earn a living online. One popular method is through freelance work. If you're skilled in writing, graphic design, or coding, you can find numerous platforms where people are looking to hire freelancers. It's a great way to showcase your talent and make some extra cash. Another path to explore is e-commerce. With platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon, you can sell your products to a global audience. Whether you create handmade crafts or innovative inventions, the online marketplace is waiting for you to make your mark. If you have a passion for sharing your knowledge, consider creating and selling online courses. Websites like Udemy allow you to design your own course and monetize your expertise. You'll not only earn money, but also contribute to the knowledge of others. Affiliate marketing is yet another lucrative option. By promoting products or services online and earning a commission from each sale, you can generate a passive income stream. It's a win-win situation for both you and the companies you collaborate with. Finally, let's not forget about YouTube. With engaging content, you can attract viewers and monetize your channel through ads and sponsorships. Don't underestimate the power of video in building an online empire. So whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, online courses, affiliate marketing, or YouTube, the internet has opened doors for you to earn money online. Ready to make your dreams a reality? Start exploring these options today and unlock your online earning potential. Thanks for watching this video on Unleashing Your Online Earning Potential, a beginner's guide. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and stay tuned for our next video.